Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link your investment accounts to Klover. So let's get straight to it. Linking your investment accounts to Klover is a pretty simple process that allows you to track your investments in one place. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get that done. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. Now you can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on investments and then select link an account. Now you're going to enter your investment account information, including the account number and the routing number. And once that's done, just verify your investment account information and wait for Klover to sync your investment account data all together. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link your investment accounts to Klover. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.